Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 1. We will present to you about the article that we have met. The findings from this study indicate that this research has the objective of analyzing what reason or motivation that influence someone to visit a cafe repeatedly. Maybe it's because of the price and taste of the menu from cafes, public space, or maybe it's because the lifestyle. For this article, we took the title What is motivates young people to visit cafes that they have been visit. Before we present to you about the article, let me introduce the member of Group 1. There are Ardiansyah, Diana Lutfia, Farid Hamdan, Genta Prawira, Mesyarah Anisha, and Siska Aktarina. Okay. For the abstract and introduction, it will be presented by Farid.
Thanks to the moderator, on this occasion I will explain about the abstract and introduction part of our article. Abstract. The business world is growing rapidly in the area of collaboration. One of which is in industrial cafe. This place is also used for the meeting, reunion, and also for relaxing. Based on the result of research, aspect of location, times, taste, price, and non-habit influence consumer attention to make repeat visit. Introduction. Hanging out in cafe is a trend among young people today. Hanging out at cafe is one way to enjoy cafe. But the habit of enjoying cafe has become a lifestyle in itself, especially in Indonesia. The purpose of this study is to find out why young people visit coffee shop and have visited before. Providing a food menu both light and heavy meal as a place for discussion and a place to be alone while doing experiment while doing. The atmosphere of this coffee shop is comfortable as at home support by facility and service provided by the coffee shop owner. Experience several obstacles including the minimal number of respondents collected because researchers had difficulty finding respondents who were truly regular customers at the coffee shop.
Thanks to Farid. For the next slide will be presented by Mesyarah.
Number 2 is literature review. 2.1 Taste and price of drink and food. The taste of food and drink is one of the most important factors considered by individuals when determining what food and drink to buy and consume. Price is the effort that will be given or sacrificed to obtain a product. There is a positive relationship between perception of price fairness and satisfaction, which will ultimately affect overall customer satisfaction. Kotler and Lamb. 2.2 Public spaces. The choice of location requires careful consideration of factors such as access, visibility, traffic, spacious, comfortable and safe parking, expansion, environment, and government regulation. Shiptono 2008. The location of the cafe, which is close to the campus, make the cafe not only a place to enjoy coffee, but also use a place for student discussion after carrying out lecture activities on campus. 2.3 Lifestyle. Lifestyle is broadly identified as a way of life that is identified by how people spend their time, what activities they consider important in their environment, and what they think about themselves and their surroundings. J. Setiadi Nugroho 2008. One of the factors that influence the person's lifestyle is social group. The influence of social group and peer recommendation are also influential in determining consumer behavior. Statokopoulos 2004.
In the theory, there are first is definition between motive and motivation. Motivation is a factor that helps explain why people behave, think, and explain. By Centrock, 1999. Motive and motivation are inseparable, with motive being the basic driving force and motivation itself being the factor that describe and explain why we think and act to achieve desired goals. Next, the presence of coffee shop or cafe in society. The emergence of many cafes in Padang proves that its presence is very much accepted among the community, especially among young people. They realize the coffee shop are able to provide a taste of modern lifestyle. Next, search of motivation for people to go to a cafe. The hierarchical arrangement of needs is the organization that underlies human motivation by Maslow, 1943. Maslow revealed about the theory of motivation driven by hierarchical structure, conceptualized up to 5 levels, and will end in achieving goals or known as goal-setting theory. The sequence of this structure, if applied in this study, the aspect that will be revealed include: first, psychological needs aspect. In this case, drinking coffee and the taste of the menu are the key to assessment. 2. Safety needs aspect. In this case, how the condition of a coffee shop are able to provide comfort and safety for its visitors. Third, belongingness needs aspect. In this case, how the cafe owner appreciates his customers by providing a comfortable place with all service, also related to public space. The last one is aspect of self-esteem needs. In this case, whether the cafe is able to make the value of consumer social status appear. That's it for the theory. Next, for the methodology, it will be presented by Ardiansyah.
Thanks to moderator. Alright, I will explain my material. It's about methodology. The research uses a quantitative approach. Quantitative is a research method based on specific or concrete data. Research data in the form of numbers to be measured using statistics as a calculation test tool. Related to the problem under study to produce a conclusion from Sugiono 2018. The main variable in the questionnaire is the visitor experience when visiting a cafe. Data collection technique in the study using primary data source, where the primary data source obtained by the author is from a questionnaire distributed to young people. In the age character section of the questionnaire, the author divides 4 age groups. First, less than 17 years old. 2, 17 to 18 years old. 3, 18 to 20 years old. And 4, over 20 years old. To find out what reasons influence customers to visit the cafe, the author puts on the question 5 groupings of reasons consisting of 1. Tasty, number 2. Interesting time, number 3. Near to campus, number 4. Affordable price, number 5. Like to hanging out. And to analyze how strong the influence of these reasons is, the author uses a Likert scale of 1 to 5. Thank you. That's all from me. Give back to the moderator.
Thanks to Ardiansyah. Next, for the analysis, it will be presented by Genta Prawira.
Analysis. This research aims to analyze what reason or motivation influence a person to visit a cafe repeatedly. With the objective base, the data is collected quantitatively, where the author chooses the questionnaire media, namely Google Form. The distribution of questionnaires tends to be done to young people using a Likert scale of 1 until 5. Respondent characteristic The characteristics of the respondent are the various background that respondent has. This characteristic is to see what kind of background the respondent has, which in this study the respondent's background is focused on age, whether they have income or not, and how much money is spent when visit. The first a characteristic based on picture 4.1 above. This study used a sample that is selected when viewed in terms of age. The overall sample is 18 to 20 years old. As much as 70%, 17 to 18 years old, as much as 25%, and the rest are over 20 years old, as much as 15. This shows that most people who visit the cafe are 18 to 20 years old. Income. The result of the analysis of picture 4.2 illustrate that from the samples taken among young people in terms of income, there are two groupings, most of which don't have personal income or have not worked as much as 95%, and the rest already have personal income as much as 5%. Spending. The result of picture 4.3 show that the expenditure of young people when visiting a cafe is taken three groups of four groupings that the outer makes, where the highest percentage is a expenditure of 25,000 rupiah to 50,000 rupiah, as much as 75%, then less than 25,000 rupiah, as much as 15%, and the last expenditure of 50,000 rupiah to 100,000 rupiah, as much as 10%. Cafe information. Based on picture 5.4 shows that when they want to visit a cafe, most of the respondents get information about the cafe from the recommendation of their friends or relatives as much as 75%, and the rest get information through social media as much as 25%. This indicates that the influence of the person deserve to visit a cafe because of the recommendation of relative is strong than the influence of social media, because the word of the closest to trust. Reason for revisit the some cafe. In picture 4.5 shows some of the reason someone revisit a cafe. The X percentage is for the reason for the taste of food and drink from the cafe menu, namely 30%, then for the reason for an stranger them and distance from campus has the same percentage of 20%, and for the reason for affordable price and because of the hobby of hanging out also has the same percent of 15%.
Thanks to Genta. For the last one, it's about conclusion and recommendation. It will be presented by Siska Aktarina.
Conclusion and recommendation. First, conclusion. Decide on descriptive analysis of consumer motivation together at cafes according to the hierarchical scale of aspects of need put forward by Maslow 1987. It can be concluded that the motivation underlying consumer behavior visiting a cafe is the aspect of physiological needs, namely the influence of the taste of food and drinks by 13%. Then another thing that strengthens the motivation of consumer is the interesting them of the cafe and the distance of the cafe from the campus is by 20%. Both of these are aspects of belongings, a need and safety needs related to public space and a comfortable atmosphere in the cafe. Finally, the influence of affordable price and funds for hanging out is amounting to 15%. This is included in the self-esteem needs aspect. And from the result of the analysis, the influence of a person in visiting a cafe is more influenced by recommendation from people close to them than the influence of social media, because the words of the closest people are easier to trust. Recommendation. From the conclusion above, it can be seen that the description of the basic need of consumer to visit a cafe is because of the taste of the menu provided at the cafe and the comfortable cafe atmosphere when they are in the cafe. Therefore, the cafe shop manager, especially in Padang where this research was conducted, should continue to improve and increase consumer safety and comfort when they are there. Maybe just this. Thank you.
Thanks to Siska. With the end of the reading of the recommendation by Siska, that's all the presentation from us. Thank you to everyone who has taken the time to see our presentation. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.